Welcome to this week's edition of Gene and Cell Therapy Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs, brought to you by LucidQuest, a groundbreaking AAV-based gene therapy targeting the OTOF gene has restored hearing in all 10 children with congenital deafness within just 1 month. The most significant recovery was observed in participants aged 5 to 8. Importantly, no serious side effects were reported during 6 to 12 months of follow-up. In Germany, CSL Behring has treated the country's first patient with HEMGENIX for Hemophilia B. The therapy introduces a novel success-based reimbursement model. Backed by long-term safety and durability data, HEMGENIX is poised for broader rollout. Lexeo Therapeutics has received FDA Breakthrough Therapy designation for its investigational gene therapy LX2006, targeting Friedreich Ataxia. Interim data showed strong cardiac and neurologic outcomes. The therapy was also selected for the FDA's CMC readiness pilot, with a registrational trial anticipated in early 2026. Myosin Therapeutics has unveiled MT125, a new therapeutic targeting non-muscle myosin 2 for glioblastoma, with promising preclinical synergy alongside standard therapies. The company is also advancing MT110 for stimulant use disorder, highlighting its dual focus on oncology and addiction. CAR-T therapy MB101, targeting glioblastoma, has received orphan drug designation. Early trials demonstrated both partial and complete responses. Mustang Bio plans to enhance the approach with MB108, an oncolytic virus, aiming to accelerate development through orphan status benefits. In AL amyloidosis, the NexaCAR-2 trial for the NXC201 CAR-T therapy has expanded to 18 clinical sites across the U.S. Interim findings indicate strong therapeutic potential. NXC201 could become the first cell therapy to achieve a biologics license application in this rare disease. The Phase 2-3 VISTA trial for Laruzova, a gene therapy for X-linked retinitis pigmentosa, has completed enrollment. The study exceeded targets and aims to support regulatory submissions in the U.S. and EU. Top-line data are expected in late 2026. The FDA has granted IND approval for SGT-501, a gene therapy targeting catecholaminergic polymorphic ventricular tachycardia, or CPVT, a rare, life-threatening cardiac disorder. IND and CTA approvals pave the way for a Phase 1b trial set to begin in Q4 of 2025. The therapy also holds orphan and rare pediatric disease designations. Longeveron stem cell therapy, laromestrocel, has received IND clearance for pediatric dilated cardiomyopathy. The therapy will advance directly to a Phase 2 pivotal trial. This marks a critical step toward reducing the need for heart transplants in high-risk pediatric patients. Lastly, Amarna Therapeutics and NorthX Biologics have finalized an agreement to advance Nimvec AM510, a gene therapy platform for type 1 diabetes. The therapy seeks to restore immune tolerance by protecting pancreatic beta cells. Clinical trial preparations are now underway for a 2027 launch. Stay ahead in cell and gene therapy research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.